I'm Jason. This is Cell Phone Help. You have the Vortex. This is the NS65. It looks like this. 3 camera panels in the back, a Vortex on the side, and you need to change the SIM chip. And what happens with a lot of people, your fingernails are too long, too short. It hurts to open this up. Let me show you the easiest trick. Watch this. All right, first start with the device powered off, powered off, powered off. All right, now always identify with most modern phones where you can take the back off, the notch is in the bottom right here. So let's turn the device over. Let's get a zoom in right there where you can see that little notch. Now the easiest trick, again, if it hurts your fingernails, is to grab any membership card. Here's my Panera card. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna hold it like this. I'm gonna make sure that my hand is way down here so this back plastic can flex. I'm gonna put it right there and it's gonna pop off usually pretty easily. So if you can get it started right here, then you can get the card inside in between the device and the cover and just pop it up the rest of the way. And that is the easiest way to take off your back cover of your Vortex NS65. All right, and if you need help with your battery, your SIM chips, your SD card, look for the video called The Ultimate Guide to Taking the Back Off of your Vortex NS65. When we're all the way done, this was just the short edition. Let's line up the windows to our cameras. Squeeze all the way around 2 times to make sure it's all the way closed, otherwise these side buttons won't work, and that's it. That's how you do it. Hey, if this video has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and as a thank you, I have this sheet for you. It's a download available in the description, in the pinned comments. It's going to help you always remember your PIN, your pattern, or your password for you, your kids, or your grandparents. It's free as a thank you. Once again, thanks for watching.